summer. With that, people are going up, and the water's probably the coldest that it is with the ice and the snow melt just happening. Today we took a look, basing it at our docks, and it's 48 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 8.9 Celsius. With that, you have a short time to respond if you end up into the water. Call out for help, do a self-rescue, get yourself out of the water as soon as you can. We always push for a life jacket. Put a life jacket on and wear it, so if you do end up in the water, you've got flotation, and that will keep you up on the surface.
Now I noticed your life vest. It's really small. Is it as good as the really big ones?
This is a PFD. The nice thing about this thing is that you can wear it in the heat in the summer. You don't overheat. If you fall into the water, it's got a salt tab in it that will self-inflate. This piece and this piece will inflate, including the back. That will keep you floating up on the surface. So this is a good jacket to have. So,
you have approximately 1 hour once you fall into Lake Ontario?
It depends what temperature the water is, and it depends what the individual is. Frank is wearing a commercial dry suit. He can go into the water for quite some time. I'm a heavy built guy. I got natural insulation. I will last in the water a lot longer than a thin, fit, skinny person. So with that, it's appropriate. What type of clothing are they wearing? Are they wearing shorts? Do they have layered clothing on? That will all extend their time in the water. You can have an immersion suit that keeps you dry. So you end up into the water, that will buy you some time. But if you're just wearing regular clothing and you fall into the water, you have a short time to react, especially with the water being cold as it is right now. So try to do self-rescue, call out for help, get yourself out. If you're going to rescue somebody, stay on a safe platform. Reach out to them, use a pike pole, like the shepherd's hook that we've got down here. Reach out so you're safe and you're pulling them. We don't want two victims. Use a ring buoy or a throw bag. Throw that to the person. You stay where they're safe. Use a vessel to go alongside them and take them out. As a last resort, go into the water. But if you're going into the water, make sure you're wearing flotation. Wear a life jacket. A survival suit would even be better. So if you get out there, you will stay on the surface. And when you get to that person, reach out to them with some flotation. Try not to have that person grab onto you. We don't want two victims. If they're holding onto the flotation, then you can tow them back into shore. It's common sense, but you have to be able to react right off the bat.
Thank you very much.
Okay, no.